How to create a newsletter on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a newsletter on LinkedIn. So if you wish to upload any articles or any posts related articles on your LinkedIn, I suggest you creating a newsletter first, because with that, all of your followers and connections will be notified whenever you post any article. So that will help you in gaining more followers and you can get what you want quickly. So I'll just show you how you can create a newsletter. Go on and log into your LinkedIn account, and over here next to post you'll be able to see an option that says write article. So just click on write article, and once you click on that you'll be redirected to an interface. So say hello to a smoother editing and publishing experience, just click on OK, and here is basically where you write all of your articles. You can upload any cover photo or anything from computer or design one, and you can type down your title. Now, in order to create a newsletter, what you're going to do is over here at the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option that says manage. So just click on it. And over here, you're going to select create newsletter. So just click on this option and you'll be able to see something like this. So here, newsletter on LinkedIn allows you to share your perspective regularly by publishing articles at the cadence you choose. So note that limit is 5 newsletter per member. So here you can type down any title for your newsletter that would be displayed in front of other people. So let me just type down SEO optimization. So let me just make this capital, like SEO optimization. Okay, now here you can type down description and what is your newsletter about. So you can just type down just any description related to your newsletter or your articles that you're going to publish. So I'm just going to type this down, the advanced SEO optimization. That's just for example. So here you can select that how often do you want to publish. Now there are different options like daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. So basically this is when your followers or connections will know that how often you're going to publish articles. So it will let them know that when they can expect from you. You can even change it later if you want. Now here you got to upload any image for your newsletter for better engagement, and your connection and followers will be invited to subscribe, and they'll notify your network that you have published any article, and you will be subscribed to your newsletter. And here you need to know that an important thing, that you can only publish 5 newsletters per member. And note that after every 2 weeks, you can publish a new newsletter. That means if you have published a newsletter right now, you'll have to wait for a whole 2 weeks in order to, publish a new one. So once done, you can just click on done. And after that, you can see that my newsletter has successfully been created, and then I can create articles. So that was basically how you can create a newsletter on LinkedIn. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.